Hey guys, Kevin with Badland Industries. Today I'm down at my buddy Zach's house and we're working on his truck. I wanted to touch on a subject that you guys have asked for recently, and I've seen a couple comments on the Facebook groups, and that's how to lower your four-wheel drive Colorado. I wanted to show you guys in person today a couple ways you can do that for pretty cheap. You may have recognized this truck from a couple videos that we've done on the channel. It's actually not the same truck. He went from the stockest Colorado, probably of all time, and unfortunately a deer customized it beyond repair. So now he's bought another one, almost identical to the one he had, and chose to completely dismantle the entire truck from literally bumper to bumper. Alright, so factory the Z71s have the ball joints mounted inside of the arm. What you can do to get free drop is you put the ball joint on the top of the arm like it is here. You'll need some washers. I think these are just kind of off the shelf 7/16 washers. These are 12 mil bolts. Pretty simple to install. You can really only go a couple inches of drop before you start running into clearance issues with the ground. The torsion key crossmember hangs below the frame like almost 4 inches, so you really can't drop a whole lot. Plus your CV axles start coming into a blind situation. You're really limited to about 2 to maybe 3 inches of drop with any with minor modification. But beyond that, pretty straightforward. Put your ball joint on the top of the arm, and if you want to go lower, change yourself out to a slimmer bump stop. Good to go. Let's go to the back. So on the rear, what we've done here is the Z85 leafs instead of the Z71. If you've got a four-wheel drive Z85 like this truck is, you still have the Z71 spec leafs. So you need the Z85 two-wheel drive leafs. That's a 2-inch drop. You don't need to put drop spacers, the drop blocks in there, or anything like that. This will give you less axle wrap. I think they're pretty cheap. I'll put a link to some below just to show you guys where to get them. But honestly, it's pretty easy. You flip the ball joint, you get some new leaves, you got yourself a 2-inch plus drop for couple $100. So we're also working on some potential prototype differential drop bushings. These are completely obsolete. You literally have to buy the entire thing, and I'm pretty sure at this point only one side is available anymore. So working on that for you guys, but basically just want to bring you guys a quick video on how to drop your four-wheel drive 2 to 3 inches on the cheap. Thanks for watching.